So you want to set up a list in AWeber? Maybe you're just starting with email marketing, or maybe you've tried other platforms and you're wondering if AWeber is the right choice. Either way, setting up your first list is simple, but there are a few things you need to know to avoid mistakes that could hurt your email deliverability. And by the end, I'll also show you a much better alternative that gives you a longer free trial and better automation tools. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your AWeber account. On the dashboard, click Create a List. Here, you'll enter basic details, your company name, website, and sender email. Make sure your sender email is a custom domain, not Gmail or Yahoo, or your emails might land in spam. Next, set your list details. You'll need a list name and a description. Keep it short and clear, like weekly health tips or exclusive discounts for subscribers. This helps both you and your subscribers know what to expect. Now comes the sender details, your name and email. Make sure it's something recognizable so people don't ignore or delete your emails. After that, it's time for the confirmation message. AWeber enables double opt-in by default, meaning subscribers must confirm their email before getting your content. It's great for keeping a high-quality list, but it might reduce signups since some people won't confirm. If you want more control, you can turn this off under the list options. Now let's talk about the welcome email. AWeber lets you send an automatic first email as soon as someone joins your list. You can customize it inside the messages section and set it as the first message in your autoresponder. If you don't do this, people will join your list and hear nothing. Not ideal. Next is segmentation. AWeber lets you tag subscribers based on actions, like opening emails or clicking links. This is helpful for sending personalized content instead of blasting the same email to everyone. Now, one downside to AWeber: its automation features feel outdated compared to competitors. It has basic automation rules but lacks the advanced, behavior-based workflows you'd get in other email platforms. If automation matters to you, there's a better option I'll mention in a second. Finally, once your list is set up, you can start collecting emails. AWeber gives you basic sign-up forms and landing pages, but they're not the best looking. If you need modern, high-converting opt-in forms, you might need a third-party tool. Alright, so should you use AWeber? It's a solid choice for beginners. Simple setup, decent templates, and good customer support. But if you want better automation, more customization, and a longer free trial, I've linked a much better alternative below. You'll get an exclusive extended free trial through my link, plus a few other bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. I've also included some other great options depending on your needs. Check the links below, and I'll see you in the next one.